Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a card in Apple Pay. Now, if you have an old card that you don't necessarily use anymore or you just prefer not to use that one for your wallet or Apple Pay, you can always delete it from there and I will show you how to do that. Let's hop into our settings and we'll scroll down until we get to wallet and Apple Pay, and you can see I have my one card here. I can tap on the card and you can see I have a card, and if I scroll down to the bottom, all I have to do is and tap on this remove card, and it says removing this card will also remove your transaction history. So just tap remove here and that will completely delete this card in all of its transactions. And if you ever wanted to just go back and add a new card, so just hit add new card. That will give you the ability to add a new debit or credit card if you got a new card or your card got issued or something like this. So that's it for this video. So that's how you can delete a card in Apple Pay. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.